My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Is this not the most striking color you've ever seen, especially in a Grand Prix? I bought this 1976 Grand Prix right out of California. That's where it's lived all of its life. It has custom paint, custom leather interior. It's a 455. It's loaded with options. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin in this Grand Prix. Hey everyone, I'm cutting into this video. The video was made a few months ago on this car, but I've got the most current information to offer you right now. We just spent $7,000 completely rebuilding the motor. It's still the original number match 455, completely rebuilt. Board 30 over, has a roller cam in it. The invoice will come with it, so it's got a little more horsepower, sounds great, runs great, complete engine rebuild. While it was at the shop, we also rebuilt the tachometer. The heater core started leaking, we replaced the heater core, the air conditioning was serviced. So we've just spent a lot of money on this car. It's turnkey, ready to go. So this is the most current information. Now you can go back to watching the rest of the video that was filmed a few months ago, but what I just told you is the hot off the press info. Enjoy the video. The color is what sold me on it. I think the guy texted me pictures to my phone and just like, wow. So that intrigued me right off the bat. It's a show quality paint. The body is fantastic. There's no rust in this car. The fit and finish is excellent. All the gaps are spot on, all smooth. There's not a bubble or blister down here. It is laser beam straight. The metal flake is laid out nice, and it's polished to a glass finish. I don't see any flaws as we go around. I'll look for some, but as of right now, all I'm seeing is beautiful bodywork. All the gaps underneath the quarters are clean. Under the car, you can see our pictures on the website. It is bone dry. It's not pretty because no one's gone under there and painted it or done anything with it. It is original, but look how dry it is. Even the components, the bottom suspension components are just dry metal. They're not flaky, they're not rusted. The floors are bone dry. All the inner rockers, all the seams and spot welds and drain plugs. It is virgin, untouched, super clean, dry metal under the car. And same for the body. This side's just as good. Beautiful fit, no door dings, everything is slick. No vinyl top, so it's all just pretty blue. There's a folder full of receipts. I just kind of glanced through. There's receipts for trim. They spent hundreds of dollars for the trim, like around these windows. It must be hard to get. Windshield looks original. It's real clear, but you can see real faint wiper mark. There's actually a stone chip right in the middle there. The grille has been painted in like a metal flake silver. It kind of stands out a little bit, but the bumpers are original and nice shape. They show real well. Rally 2 wheels on it with some nice BFGoodrich tires, nice lug nuts and everything. They look great on the car, but because it's kind of custom, I picture this thing with a big set of polished torque thrust wheels or something would really make it pop. Sport mirrors, tinted glass. Door jambs are painted, super dry. The weather strips are replaced. So the upper doors are recovered in leather. The wood grain's nice, the plastic's nice. Power windows, power locks. Has a power trunk release. Back bumper's original chrome. It's straight, it's shiny. Just a big, empty, clean metal trunk compartment. All solid metal. Bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb are painted beautiful like the car. The weather strip is replaced. Really nice seats. It's got the like the diamond pattern, kind of like they use in the new luxury cars and the Bentleys and that. It's all leather, has the blue Grand Prix embroidered logo on the seats. Really nicely done interior. There's a receipt for $2,200 for the seats and door panels. It's a 6-way power seat. It's got tilt, it's got cruise, it's got the full gauge cluster with the tachometer. It's a climate control, has an upgraded stereo, has the sport mirrors. Disc brakes in front. It's a turbo 400 automatic. Oh, it's a big hood. So it's the VIN number matching original 455 motor to the car. Alternator looks recent. The air conditioning has been updated to the newer Freon, but there's no belt on the compressor, so that's something our shop needs to still look at. Sticker on the compressor looks pretty new. So we'll service the air. Everything in here is pretty much stock. I don't see anything custom or aftermarket. It all looks good. Headliner's real nice. It's missing the lens on the dome light, which I'm sure we have one coming for it. The dash pad is real nice. Interior lights work. Let me fire it up for you. Bunch of receipts in here for miscellaneous work that's been done to the car. Battery's either a little low or the timing might need to be adjusted, but runs nice. Oil pressure is pegged when I rev it up. Now it's about 60 pounds. So real strong oil pressure. It's a good looking car. The last Grand Prix we had from the mid-70s sold right away, and it was one of the most looked at cars on our YouTube channel. So these are really in demand. This rubber seal here, or plastic, whatever it is, that's in good shape. Door handles were replaced. Show quality paint, striking color. Beautiful upholstery, loaded with options, unique car. You'll get a lot of attention. This will be a good conversation starter because you just don't see them. If you go to volocars.com, there's plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. They will help you with any questions or concerns, or you need more details. I'm giving you my impression of the car, what I see, what I think of it, but they are willing to help answer whatever questions you have. They can help with financing and delivery as well. And if you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.